Welcome back, everyone. Good morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time zone you're watching this video. Welcome again. I am Luis Giron, and I am an architecture student. This is advanced sketching subject, and I will explain many different things regarding the matter, such as the function it has and the application in the career. In addition to this, I will also tell you some tips for drawing as an architect. It is important to clarify that this video is not about architectural design. It is only about the sketch and the way we work in the class. Sketching and architecture go together. It is the first step into the design process and something every designer should do. I hope so. Like many professions, you do not jump into a project without any planning or any given thought. You must think through it first. Thinking is directly correlated to drawing. Thinking can begin with nothing more than a simple sketch that later will develop into something more, something better. Take Frank Gehry as an example, a brilliant and very famous architect. Each of his major projects begin with a sketch that later will evolve into a three-dimensional model. Then he goes back and forth from sketching to model making, again and again, studying the two to see how it works, how it fits into the environment, and how it will function. The way he's able to bring a sketch to life is poetry, it's art. With the advancement of technology, architecture has moved into many different forms. However, sketching will always remain an important part of the design and development process. Here's a clear example. In the classes, we work with an iPad, but with the advance that the world lives today and this quarantine to which we are part of, we cannot do it in the same way. At least, not all of us. I do not have an iPad, so I have to draw on a sheet of paper. This doesn't have to represent any problem. The images that you're watching right now is my exam of the second period. The idea was to create a museum located near the ruins of Tulum. First, I did a zoning of first intention. This doesn't mean it's bad, it just means it's the first thing you taught. In the second proposal, I already dedicated more time, more effort, more thinking. Then I made the facades, the cuts, and last but not least, the isometrics. Sketching is much more than a scribble on a piece of paper. It is a powerful process that aids in discovering the best ideas and solutions to a design problem. Architectural sketches are all about communicating ideas, whether it is solving initial design problems or working through ideas and details. It helps to convey ideas, demonstrate functionality, visualize user flow, and illustrates anything that requires interaction. It assists in discovering potential issues and solutions early on. Not only that, sketching pushes to attract numerous ideas quickly before you enter into the digital world. It also explores and explains design concepts and will always be a beneficial tool for architects to use. So, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you a lot. If you did, don't do anything really. The only thing that I want you to do is to be more confident of yourself. If you are already good at sketching, try to be better. If you're not the best, be the best. You have to remember that this is a process. Of course, maybe you're not the best at drawing, but you can get into that point. Thank you for watching this video. As I said, my name is Luis Giron. Thank you for listening.